This is really important. Difference between abstract and implements. There's going to be some differences that frankly are going to piss you off as a programmer. Like, oh, damn it, I thought I was going to do it this way, but it didn't. So that's why, honestly, I have this chart and then I have this exercise because I've been through it, to say the least. So when it comes to features, both of them share the same thing with type of variables, member variables, da-da-da-da-da. But in abstract, when it talks to type of methods, you can have abstract and non-abstract type of functions that are in there. Member variables, you have freedom of declaration. They can be public, private, implements, default to final. What do we use keyword-wise for a type of inheritance that we're going to use from? Well, it uses extends or implements. Members in general, we have freedom of a specifier. For this, it's public by default because remember, for implements, if it's private, then it's really not helpful. Even in abstract, if it's private, that's not really helpful. Now, I still could get away with some of the other ones like protected and public, but these are public by default no matter what. So I shouldn't say private. Protected I can use here. I can't use here. Overall length of code. You have more freedom, you're going to have more code. This is meant to be short. Here's the kicker, though. When we try to do inheritance, a subclass can only inherit one class, one abstract class, and that's it. Or another class, doesn't have to be abstract class. A subclass can implement as many interfaces as we want. So again, interfaces have little pieces of nice candy in there that we may want to grab from. We can do as many as we want in interfaces. I'm going to share the code on the next page on how to do that. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to look back at abstract and implements and what we've done so far, and then answer these two questions. Which option supports abstract or implementation? Go through these 5 questions, go back through the notes, look at the text, look at the videos, whatever you want, and I'm going to go over and answer with you here in a moment, and we'll leave it at that for now. So get to work on this. Again, looking at our previous set of notes and examples, and let's see if you got it. So let's go over this. Which methods declared within an implements class must be implemented by the classes that implement this? Boy, that sentence is terrible, but that's implements for that one. You can define non-static or non-final. As soon as it says non-final, you know it's abstract because in implements, everything's final, period. So that one you can almost get right off the bat. You expect that the classes that extend the blank class have many common methods or fields or require access modifiers other than public. As soon as you see something other than public, you know it's an abstract because by default, implements all that is public. You want to specify the behavior of a particular data type, but not concerned about who implements its behavior. That's implements. And then can house and support common code with subclasses. That's really going to be abstract. So those are your answers for all of that. I hope that helps out with a little bit of the understanding of what we're going on here. Let me know if you need some clarification or anything of that nature. Be happy to help, but we'll leave it at that for now. And let me move on to one more topic.